Guys, we got a deal here. This is for M12 fuel 12 volt brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches. This is the 4th of July savings. Somebody just posted that this is today only. I don't know if that's actually true or not, but here it is. Unfortunately, there hasn't been a lot of deals lately. I don't know if Home Depot's keeping track of all this or what's going on, but I'm just gonna post whatever I can. Anyways, we got the compact blower. So if you need the blower or pretty much these tools, you can sell the other or just keep the impact driver, however you want to do it. Impact driver and the blower. But this is it right here. This is, you got the compact blower. Now this one's not gonna be your leaf blower that's on your garden. This is just gonna be a shop blower, mainly to clean. You can even clean sidewalks, because they're concrete and they're solid, and you can just blow everything out of there. But I would recommend this for the shop, for just a quick dust up, for your equipment, clean up your equipment and stuff like that. And it does come with a hammer drill, impact driver, 2 batteries, charger, and a case. The blower, of course. 4th of July savings, $229. That's actually a pretty good deal. Pretty solid deal for this deal. Right, I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of the video. You guys have a great day, productive day, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.